Hello everyone, this is Srikanth. In this video, I will discuss about LeetCode problems. That is the first problem in LeetCode. The problem name is to sum. So if you're coming to the problem statement, so in this video, we'll discuss about what is the problem statement and what is the implementation, best implementation, what is the main best implementation, as well as using Python code, how to solve this problem. Okay, so better just check up to end, just watch the video up to end. We'll get some idea about how to write the Python code in LeetCode first problem. So coming to problem statement, he given the particularly what's the inputs we have, how many inputs we have. In general, we have different inputs. So in that, which input he given, which data type that is, as well as what I need to return. That means depending upon output. So the main agenda of any problem, we have what is the input and what is the output and how many conditions we have and best implementation for this particular program. So first of all, we discuss what is your particular input. So he given an array. So he given the array. So nothing but in Python we can say like list. He given the list that is also integer numbers. So he given the like maximum integer numbers. Now he want return type, as well as he given the one more integer target. So he given target also. So he given the list as well as one particular integer. Two things he given, and he want return indicates what? Two numbers. He want two numbers such that so if you have the input is array and he has some target, now we need to return some output. We need to return some output with two numbers. So two numbers means what is the two numbers? So that is also depending upon add of two target. So you want return two numbers. Remember that. So two numbers means the output also one array. So we need to return the number output, two numbers, those also in array. So like you can, he given one more also. Input like in list in that, we need to return the output is particular target, add those numbers and give the output is indexes. So he given, I want to return the particular two numbers, which one return, add, and we need to return the two numbers. These two numbers also, what is the two numbers means? Those are the index of the numbers. So main thing is you want to return something. What and return? So coming to example, we will see the example, then we will get some idea. So he wants like output is with two numbers. This is one number and this is number, second number, and he given the number. That means array. So array name is as a nums, and in that 2, 7, 11, 5, 15 we have, and he given that one more integer, that is target. So he given the target and he given the nums also. Now your output is two numbers, that is 0 and 1. What is the 0 and 1? So he, in that particular program statement, he given the some explanation. So nums of 0 and nums of 1 equal to 9. That means 0 and 1. What is the nums of 0? So then we need to know about the what is the array indexes, positions of each values. Now coming to index, if you observe here, so 0th index, 1th index, 2nd index and 3rd index. So he given the one particular array, that is 4 numbers. Those 4 numbers index, this is my indexes, and he given the target is 9. Now 2 plus 7 will get the 9. So 2 is 0th index and 7 is 1th index. That is your output. Same as one more example he given, that is 3, 2, 4. Then target is 6. So if you observe means like a 2 and 4. 2 and 4 will get the 6. So coming to indexes, this is 0th index, 1th index and 2nd index. So 1 and 2 is your output. It's very simple. He given the condition and like problem statement. It's like very clear. He given the number, he given the target, then the target need to achieve with two numbers. So these two numbers no need to return the two numbers. We need to return the indexes of these two numbers. Now one more example also given. Now 6, he gave the target is 6 and 3 3. So 3 3 is number. So 3 is the 0th index and 1th index. So what is your target? 0 and 1. So your target is 6. So 0th index is 3. 1th index is 3. 1 plus 3 plus 3 is 6. Now we have in output is 0 and 3. So this is simple and simplest problem. Now coming to like analyze. So which method is better? Which method is better to solve this problem? In general we have like a, in general we have for loop, right? For loop, suppose I equal to I in range, in range length of your particular given number nums. So this is my I. So why this for loop? So coming to analyze, if suppose he given 2, 7, 11 and 15 he given. Now coming to 2 plus 7. So starting itself. So no, I want to change. Suppose 1 second. I want to change the numbers. Otherwise, if suppose my numbers same 11, 2, 15, suppose 7. Same target equal to 9. So these are my numbers and these are my target. Now I want to achieve this particular program. So what is your aim? So sum of two numbers. So this is 0th index and this is 1th index and this is 2nd index and this is 3rd index. So different indexes, they have different values. Now what is your logic? Add those two numbers and get the target. Suppose 11 and 2. So 11 and 2 means it's a 13, right? Like 11 and 15. Remember, check it now. 11 and 15. So not equal to target. Again 11 and 7. Not equal to your target. Again 2 and 15. Not equal to your target. Again 2 and 7. Yes, 2 and 7 means it's equal to 2 plus 7 equal to 9. So achieve the target. So your target equal to your sum. You done. Now what is your aim? Your aim is get the index. So what is the 2th index? 2th index is 1 and 7th index is 3. So 1 comma 3 is your output. So this is the logic. Now what is the simple logic is? So what is the simple logic is? Same. Suppose 11, 15, 2, 7. So any numbers, no problem for that. But we need some logic. I said like for. So first for I in your range of length of nums. This is your first logic. So why this first logic means if suppose guys, just follow me, you'll get some idea. Now if suppose this is my 11, we can't say 11 like a 0. So this is 0th index, 1th index, 2nd index, 3rd. So we can't say 11 plus even like a 0th index value and with the 1th index value. 0th index value and 1th index value can reach the target. We can't say. So that is, we don't know which are the numbers we have in the list. Now we need to travel one by one. So we need to travel one by one means index wise. Suppose 11 and 15 not equal to your target. Again 11 and 2 not equal to your target. Again 11 and 7 not equal to your target. So using 11 I can say so I can't reach my target. Same thing. Now this is I now. So starting I is 11. 11 is added with the 1th index, added to 2nd index, added to 3rd index. That means I is 11 is 0th index value. Now again 1th index value. 1th index value is 15. So 15 already cross it with 0th index value. 15 is 1th index value. Already cross it with the 0th index value. So again no need to cross it. Now we can cross it with the next value. So this is like 1th index. So 1th index I equal to 0 starting, then I equal to 1. So 1th index value cross check with 2nd index value. So that means 15 plus 7. So you can't reach your target. Again 15 plus 7 like 2. 15 plus 2 as well as 15 plus 7. So you can't reach your target. Now again change your I. I equal to 2nd index. I equal to 2nd index and your 2nd index value. 2nd index value is 2. So now check it. So I don't want to bother about the previous indexes. I need bother about the next indexes. So next index what you have? So I equal 2 means and next index is 3. So 3 means third index which value you have? 7. So 2 plus 7, 9. So I reach my target. So here your aim is to get the indexes. So 0th index as 2 means second index. This is your second index value. And 7 means third index value. So we need to return the indexes. Now coming to logic, I know the I value like I1, 0, 1, 2. But what about J? So what about like 7th index value? So I don't know the 7th index value. Then consider one more index, that is J. So why J means to check the next index value. So next index value means I equal 0. Then J equal 1. No need to 0. Why means I can't add 0th index with 0. I need two numbers, not same numbers. So I equal 1, I equal 0, then J equal 1, 2, 3. Right. Now J equal to, so I equal to 1, again J equal to not 1, 2, 3. Same, I equal to, then J equal to only 3. So this is the logic. So I need for infer. So this is normal conditions. So this is same code if you exit in your LeetCode. So you can't have the output, time exit. So then to avoid this logic, in Python, it's very simple. So what the logic is, we need to create the dictionary. So we need to create the dictionary, create one dictionary. Check the logic, guys. It's very simple logic. If for in for also you'll get the answer, damn sure. But that is time taking process. For in for you will do it again to cross check the all indexes. If suppose let's say here only 3 index, so 0, 1, 2, 3, only 4 numbers we have. Suppose 100 numbers, time complexity is increased. So to reduce your time complexity, create one dictionary like hash table. I think you know about the hash table. So that is, we have one particular table with key as well as values. Key as well as values, two things. If suppose in dictionary, we can store two things like a particular key, which value we have. Suppose A is my key, the value is 2. Suppose C is my key, the value is 16. Something, any numbers, no need to worry about that. So A is your key and C 2 is your value. So in the hash table, A and 2, C and 16, we can store like this. Then you can call the particular key, which value we have, particular value, like which key, that is depending upon your code. Now first create on dictionary. Your aim is to create this dictionary. Simple logic, guys. So created a dictionary. This is my dictionary. Done. That is the first thing. Next, travel as is your for loop. Travel as is your for loop. So for I in range of length of your nums. This is general. So I travel my value. So what's the I value? So I value is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. So this is about example 1. So this is total 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 indexes we have 4 values, but up to third index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, done. So what is 0 means? I need to check the value also. So coming to dictionary logic, hash table logic. If the target, so what's your target? Target is 9. So your logic is 9 minus first 0th index value. What is the 0th index value? First value is 2. So 9 minus 2 is 7. Check the logic is, this is your target, this is your nums. This is your nums of 1 by 1 values. Okay, nums of 1 by 1 values. So 0th index value, 1th index value, 2nd index value, 3rd index value. Now coming to logic, your target minus your nums value. That is 7. Then your dictionary. So dictionary is starting empty. I don't have any values. Then give the values for that particular key. 7 is your value. 7 is your remaining values. You can select remaining values. Then using which index? That is using 1th index. So not 1th index, 0th index. Remember this, not 1th index. So 2 is in 0th index. 0th index we have, if suppose I subtract from the target, the 0th index value, I need 7. So I have the 7 again my list. Then I can get the answer. So what is the logic means? We need to like subtract target minus nums, then we have some value not in a dictionary. Yes, then 2 not 0, so 2 the value is 0, so it is there, so 2 is there. So like 7 not there, so 2 is there, so 7 is there means you cross check. If suppose coming to next, so say I equal 0 condition. So coming to I equal 0 condition, I equal 0 condition means my target minus value, so I of value, which value? That is 2. So logic is 9 minus 2, we have 7. 7 in a like 2 is like 7 is there in a dictionary? No, so leave it. 7 is not there, so 2 is your ith value and 0 is your key. So 2 having the key is 0. Done. Next, then I equal 1. Logic check it now. I equal 1. So again t minus your ith value. So what's the ith value? I equal 1. 1 the next which value you have? 7. So that 7. So t minus like 7. So that means 9 minus 7. So 2. Now cross check it. 2 is there in your dictionary? Yes, 2 is there in your dictionary. Then what is index of that? Index is 0. Then if suppose using 7 plus 2 we have the target. That is the logic with the hash table. Now what do you want return? This is I equal 1, right? I equal to 1. So the 7th index value I equal to 1. But I want to return the 0th like a 2 index value. So I stored already 2 is your key and 0 is your value. So I want to return the value of 2. So that is key is 2, the value is 0. So I want to return 0 comma I. So 0 means the dictionary value. So that is the logic with this particular. We'll discuss one more question, one more example. Okay, one more example, then we'll get some idea. Okay, same. Suppose create first empty dictionary. D is empty now, right? D is empty now. I want to go for the one more example means can I go for the second or other number? You can use your own logic, but I will go with the second example. 0th index, 1th index, 2nd index. Use for loop, I value. So I equal 0, I equal to 1 and I equal to 2, up to 2 itself. Done. Now your aim is what? Your target minus nums. So in 0th index I have the 3 is my value, then target is t minus your nums value, nums of I value. Now what is the target? Target equal to, sub 6 is your target. He given the target equal 6. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 means, so that is 3. 3 in your dictionary. Starting dictionary is empty, so I don't have value. So what is your particular nums of I? Don't bother about this value. This is for crossing purpose. 3 is crossing purpose, but you need to store the value for this particular key. So what is the nums of I means? 3. For 3 the index is 0. So 3 index is 0. This is I need to store. That's it. It's over. Next I equal to 1. I equal to 1 means, what is your I equal to 1 means if 1 index 2 is there. So target equal to like 6 minus nums of I is 2. So your target, like your value is 4. 4 in your dictionary. So I don't, the dictionary is 3 is there, but that index is 0. But I want only 4. 4 is there. 4 is not there. Then again 2, not 4. Okay. 2th index is 1. I store the data like key and value. Now key is 2. Why 2 means, if suppose target minus the 2 is if you have the target. Done. Now next is I equal to means again target equal 6 minus index of 2. We have 4. So 4 means this is my 4. So 6 minus 4 we have the 2. Now check it. 2 is there in dictionary? Yes. We have the dictionary, the 2 value. Yes. Now using, what is the logic means? Here using 4 as well as 2 will get the target. So 4 plus 2, 6 will reach the target. Now using this we have index is 2, that is 4th index. Then 2nd index, here we have the value, so that is 1. So we need to return 1 comma 2. This is the answer for this particular example. Okay, so this is the logic and problem statement. Now we'll go through like a code using Python. So I opened like empty. Now what is your main idea? So this is, suppose I want to use the same inputs with a first example. Okay, this is my inputs. Now coming to logic. So coming to write your Python code, first check the LeetCode platform. Which platform we have in LeetCode means, yeah, here same program guys, which are two sums, same logic which we discussed. Then coming to here, this is a coding platform. So here I need to write the code. So before write the code, check the what is the main logic we need to write. Here in LeetCode platform, no need to worry about your inputs. That means no need to read your inputs and no need to write your outputs. Just we need required only method. So method means which logic you want to use. We discussed like two methods, like for infer and with a dictionary hash table. So you can use anything. There is nothing. But main idea is we need to reduce your time complexity. Using for infer, we'll get the output, but time exit in some test cases. We have hidden test cases, and here your read inputs. So you want to read input means no need to worry about that. Just require only method. But in ideally, if you want to go for the ideal, I need inputs done, and I will need to write the particular outputs. So I want method means I'll write method here. So method name, your wish. You can write any logic. Okay, that is my first thing is method. You want to write the method means you need to define some function. So that function name is toSum. So for this toSum, how many parameters you require? So if you write the method, you want to write the method means we require how many parameters for this particular function. So I have the particular function, some function with the parameters, without parameters. So we want to write the function with parameters or without. But he given in LeetCode itself, guys. For in LeetCode itself, he given the inputs. If you observe here, coming to LeetCode, if you observe in LeetCode platform, he given the nums as a list and target. It's a integer type and output is a list. So this is the function requires. So function requires two parameters. One is list and next one is integer. So these two things we need to get from the inputs. So now coming to your code also, I want to write the method which your method name is your wish. Now I need two parameters. One is nums and one more is target. Then I have the method. So I start my function now. I started my function. Now what is your aim? So I said for infer, so no need to worry about that. So we'll go for the dictionary. Create your dictionary. So variable name is your wish. So I created my dictionary. Dictionary is empty now. Done. Then what is your logic? Use the for loop. For I in range length of your nums, given nums. So I want to travel up to last digit. So why I want to write the range means I need indexes. My return type is indexes. So depending upon your logic. Suppose you can write like this also. For I in nums. So this is also going to write. But in this case, I have the two logics. So here I have I values. So starting for I have the I value is 0, 1, 2. So like that you will get. But here the I values is your list values. So that is 2, 7, 11, 15. So these are the I values coming to this logic. So better use for in range. Why means I need to return my index. Remember that. So you can use any logic, but you go for the one more variable and increase and decrease. That is depending upon you. So better use the index. So I have the indexes. Now your logic. What is your suppose remaining value? So remaining value is target minus. So target minus your I is no, not I. That is I is we have the 0th index, 1th index. So I check the particular value of list means nums of I. Nums of I. So this is the logic. So what is the condition means? Now for here I have the I values 0, 1, 2 and 3. Why 3 means here I have up to 3rd index. Now coming to 0, we need to have remaining value. So remaining value is target is 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is suppose 7. 7 in your dictionary. So then I need some condition. So I write I is 0, 0th index. Then I have to find out the remaining value. That remaining value in a dictionary. That means we have the particular target. So now check it. If there. Now right here. So condition. Which condition? If your remaining value in dictionary. That's it. Python code is very simple. So your remaining value in your dictionary. Dictionary is there. Dictionary starting is empty. So then we don't have any values. Then enter. If it is there, then what I'll check? We'll write later. If not there. Not there means what is your aim? So if not there, your aim is just update the dictionary. So in dictionary nums of I. So which value? 2. That is my key. Okay, nums of I is your 2. For this example, guys. For this example, nums of I is 2. Now that is I need to update like 1. So we already discussed. So what we discussed? So in dictionary, this is dictionary. In the dictionary, it's empty. Dictionary we have the empty now. Now I want to update. What is that? Nums of I. That means same 2 equal to 0th index. In same 2 equal to 0th index. We need to update the key and values. Then we need to cross check. If it's there, then we have the target. Now in starting case, don't have, then over. Then game is over. Now start again. Again your for loop. For loop equal to I equal to 1. I equal to what is the remaining? Remaining target minus 7. We have 2. Now this case we achieve your target. Right? We achieve your target. So target means then check it. So you achieve your target. Then 2 is there in your dictionary. Yes. 2 is there in your dictionary. So this condition is true now. So in previous case, the condition is false. Now this case, this condition is true. Now this case, this condition is true means what I will write. So you go for the return value directly. What I return? Your I is 2, I is 1. So 1 is common. That is, I need to return 2 things. One is I value. So that means this I is 7th value index. 7th value index is 2. So not 2, 1. So 7th value index is 1. But before that I need, what is that value? So this is where we have in dictionary. Dictionary we have the value. So I will get the dictionary values. Same dictionary of nums of. So nums means 7. So I will get not nums, remaining value index. So here the value is remaining value index. So check it now. I'm erasing all. Okay. Now otherwise check it. So here I have enter here what I write. If it's there, then return. So function need return. So returns what you want to return in list, not separate values. In list I want dictionary of remaining. So in dictionary of remaining, once again, yeah, dictionary of remaining. So in that remaining, which value we have? That is key. Key means we will get the value. So 2 key, which value we have? That means 0. So 0 will return as well as I is written. Done. Over. So every time we are crossing with the remaining value is there or not. Remaining value is there or not. Now coming to save this one. So before save, just call the method. Print your method. So I'm copy pasting here. Method with the target same names I given. Done. Save it any names you wish. This is ideally, but no need to worry about your LeetCode. You can go for the only method. Method is enough. So I want to save. We have the 0, comma. This is very simple, guys. If you go for the one more example, if you want to go for the one more example, I think problem statement is very clear and problem also very clear. One more example. We'll discuss one more example here. if suppose my numbers 1 2 3 4 5, these are my numbers, and target equal to consider 7. Okay, just crossing it now, 7. So in exam like in code, we don't have any like repeated values, we have damn sure inputs. So 7 means we have a 2 plus 5 is there, and 3 plus 4 also is there, but we can return any one, no need to worry about those. Now check the condition problem statement. Okay, some small example. Now same, we started, first thing is dictionary created. This is the first line, dictionary is created, dictionary is empty now, that is the first statement. Then for loop in range of lumps, so we have 1 2 3 4 5. So I values, so I value equal 0 1 2 3 4, so only 4. So 0th index, 1th index, 2nd index, 3rd index, 4th index, I have the 4 indexes. Now 0th index, so 0th index I have, then remaining target, so remaining we need to find out. So remaining equal to target is 7 minus nums of 5. Nums of 5 means 0th index, which value you have 1, that is 6. 6 in your dictionary, dictionary is starting empty, so 6 is your key and value is so 6 your key, value is 0th index. I stored, this is the condition. So in your dictionary, in the dictionary I store the index values, in dictionary I store the index values. Next I equal to 1, so I equal to 1 means again remaining we need to find out. 7 is your target and 2 is your particular key, particular value. So we have the 5 is your answer. Now 5 is your answer means 5 in your dictionary, dictionary is not there, so 5 is your key and value is 1th index. Done. So then in like second index again, if condition is true only we'll get the return, otherwise we can rotate up to get the answer, up to reach your target. So then my condition is true, no, wrong. Then I equal 3 means the remaining equals 7 minus 3. So I equal to, the 3 value is there, so 7 minus 3 equal to whether 4 in your dictionary, so we don't have any 4 in my dictionary. Then your answer is your particular tree having second index. Done. Now third index was the 4, so remaining find out 7 minus 4, 3. Now check it, you will reach your target or not. So 3 in your dictionary, yes, we have in dictionary. Then this condition is true now. This condition is true means what is written? The dictionary of remaining. So dictionary remaining means remaining is 3 in your dictionary, which is the key. Key is 3, value is 2. So you have the 2 comma and I value, I is 3. So 2 comma 3, I have the target. So in the list, and 2 comma 3 is your return answer. Okay guys, I think you clear this problem. If any queries, like comment me in the comment box. And thank you for watching my video.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.